In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Doordash money to DasherDirect. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a quarter balance on your Doordash account and you wish to transfer that payout to a DasherDirect card, all you have to do is to open your DasherDirect app, go to your earnings tab, and in there you'll have all the information related to your payouts and earnings this week or throughout the whole month or in a year. In there, tap on the bank icon that you can find at the top right of your screen. You'll find it beside this info icon, so click on that. After that, you'll be able to find the options related to the payout methods. All that you have to do in there is to change the payout method, select to use the instant payout method, and after that, you will have to start and stop a dash for your current balance to be transferred as soon as you initiate and stop a dash for your current balance. It's going to get transferred over to your DasherDirect account. As long as both accounts are set up properly linked, you can change the payment method through this tab. After tapping on the bank icon on your earnings menu, you'll be able to receive a payout instantly after every single pay directly to your DasherDirect prepaid card or any other alternative. You can change this payout method at any time if for some reason you don't wish to receive payout instantly anymore. That is how you can basically transfer Doordash money to DasherDirect. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.